Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Alinathe Edwards here. Another day, another video, another flag. Okay, so today we are going to do soft logs crochet. We are going to do our crochet. So the piece that we are going to be using is this. We want something like this. You see this look here? This is what we want. So I have the pieces here. The pieces we are going to be using is this. The piece we are going to be using. And another detail, it has something here. So we are going to be doing this and then we are going to crochet it to our hair. By now, you should know how to do your own hair, the 3-3, the singles. As you have seen, I've already done this other part. So I want to show you how I'm doing it so that you can also be able to do it at home alone. This year we are saving money. And one way we are doing it is by doing our own hair at home. Okay. Every girl should know how to do their own hair. So this is what I've done. I've done almost half of it. And now I'll show you how I do it step by step so that you should watch it. Once you're done watching, make sure you practice. You can't just watch and just say, I know how to do this now. No. Go buy your own fiber and do it. Firstly, you will take a piece and each piece has a hook hole where you can hook your butterfly locks. You can buy any kind of locks, but this is butterfly locks. Maybe I believe this is the butterfly. I think this is the butterfly. And then make sure you have your crochet so that you should use it. Once we have that we have this is what we are going to do. I'll just take one piece here. Okay, I believe you have seen how I have done this one, but I'll do another one so that we should be sure that we are on the same page. Remember your crochet and your piece of butterfly lock and it has a hook. Just take note that it should have a hook. Yeah. And then just keep it like this. And then let me try. Let me use this. Okay. Let's put our lock. Now, let me finish off and I'll show you the final look. Let me just do it quickly now that you have seen how to do it. I believe now you can do it. Hello guys, this is a final look. Look, this is my very first time to do this. I just wanted to see if I would nail it, but to the look of things, I think I did it. So you can also do it. See how slick it looks. Wow, I like the finished look. So beautiful, so beautiful. So excited. Thank you guys for watching this video. I believe now you're confident enough to try as well. It was my first time doing this, and this is my very first time doing this. So whenever you're watching this video, just put it in your mind that this is my first time doing it. If I can do it, you can also do it. Watch this video over and over again, share with family and friends so that you can learn a skill or two. Doing hair shouldn't be that hard. Let's rock this hair together, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share with your family and friends. Freely have I shared, freely should you share. Let's be selfless as we can be. I like this look. It looks so natural. That's what I like about it. And just taking the hair and putting it inside. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I like this look. Honestly, I do. Thank you. I know you can see my excitement. Feels good. Thank you so much for watching. And someone came to this step. Come. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.